Good morning, students of Standard 9. So, we are in the math class, and today we will further continue the exercise 1G of number system. So, open your book of R.S. Agarwal, see the exercise 1G, and first of all, we will do sum number 11. See the sum number 11. Here, given expression is this. This is the fourth root of the third root of the x square. So this can be expressed in this way. Third root means it is 1 upon 3, power is 1 upon 3. Fourth root means power is 1 upon 4. So if nothing is given, no number is given here, it means it is only a square root. And a square root, the meaning of a square root is power 1 upon 2. So here I have written x square, and this third root means power 1 upon 3. So x square to the power 1 upon 3, and leave it. This will be done in the next step. So this fourth root will be here. Now we will get the fourth root of x to the power 2 upon 3, because here it is power of a power. So powers are multiplied. That's why after multiplication you will get this much. Now see, this fourth root is, it can be written as the power 1 upon 4. So x to the power 2 upon 3 is here, and whole to the power this 1 upon 4. Now again it is in the form of power into power. So power of a power means we have to multiply and power into power. So after multiplication, here it will be x to the power 2 upon 12 when you will multiply this. Now cancel this 2 upon 12, you will get 1 upon 6. So it is x equal to 1 upon 6. Now coming to the next sum, solution 12. See the sum number 12. Here given expression is, this is the third root of 2 into fourth root of 2, and here it is 12th root of 32. So first of all we will change these roots into in the form of powers or exponents or indices. All are having the same meaning. So this 2 to the power 1 upon 3 into 2 to the power 1 upon 4 into 2 to the power 5. This 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5, because when 2 is multiplied 5 times you will get 32, and here it is power is 1 upon 12, because this is the 12th root. Now since base is same everywhere, here and here, and also here this power of a power, so what will happen? First of all, powers are multiplied, so it will become 5 upon 12. So 2 to the power 5 upon 12. So since base is 2, 2, 2, everywhere 2, so what will happen? And there is multiplication in between these numbers, among the numbers. So these powers will be added. So here 2 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 12. Now take the LCM, because all the three powers are in this form, fraction form. So we have taken the LCM 3, 4, 12. So LCM will be 12. And in the numerator you will get from here 4, From this term you will get 3 and from this you will get only 5. Adding all this you will get 12 upon 12. So 2 to the power 12 upon 12, 12 cancel. So power will be 1. So it is 2 to the power 1. That is equal to 2 answer. Now coming to the next sum, that is the sum number 13. It is the second sum of the 13. Here the given expression is 12 to the power 1 upon 5 upon 27 to the power 1 upon 5 and whole quantity having the power 5 upon 2. Now, since this power 5 upon 2 is on both, it will be distributed on numerator as well as denominator. And you know that power of a power, so powers are multiplied. So here 12 to the power 1 upon 5 into 5 into 5 upon 2, and in denominator it is 27 upon 27 to the power 1 upon 5 into 5 upon 2. Now multiply it, you will get 12 to the power 1 upon 2 because 5 cancel here. Here also in denominator see 5 and 5 cancelled. So here it is only 27 to the power 1 upon 2. Now further you see on numerator it is 12 under root 12 because half power means it is a square root. So square root of 12 and in denominator a square root of 27. Now break this 12, it will be a square root of 3 into 4 and 27 it is a square root of 3 into 3 into 3. Now for 4 2 will come outside and root 3. So it is the 2 root 3 and denominator for this 3 square 3 will come outside and root 3. So 3 root 3. In numerator and denominator now cancel the root 3. You will get only 2 upon 3. So here it is 2 upon 3. This is the answer. Now coming to your assignments, obviously now the remaining sums. So sum number 14 to 17. You have to do only this much 14 to 17 and please complete this. Have a nice day. Thank you.